Welcome back to another STEM with Miss Dubois video. Today we're talking about how to use the shell tool in Fusion. Let's begin. Let me show you how to use the shell feature in Fusion. First, with anything, you're going to want to go to Create. You're going to want to click Create Sketch, and you can click on any of those planes as always. And let's just start off with a 2-point rectangle. You want to make sure you're on the origin. You know if you're on the origin when you have a bluish square around it. And it doesn't matter the height of it, but I want to do 3 inches by 2. There's, once again, no reason for this. It's just a matter of I want it that way. You click Finish Sketch. And now you're going to click Extrude because I'll explain that in a second. Let's just make it 3 inches up. We have a rectangular prism. And now let's go to shell. Basically, what you're doing here is you're essentially making this hollow. You're making this solid prism hollow. And the reason why you have to click extrude before that is essentially you're modifying your object. You're editing your object. So here's what you do again. You click shell, or which is this white box or white grayish box with some blue inside, or you go to modify and you click on it and you click shell. And then you click what you want to modify and you drag it out. The smaller the number, the thinner it will be. The thicker the number, the larger the number, the thicker it will be. So yeah, so 0.10, you're going to have it basically be 0.10 inches thick, whereas the 0.9 inches, you're going to have it be 0.9 inches thick all the way around, essentially, or some version of that. So that is how you use the shell feature. It's not super difficult to use. I actually like using the shell feature when it comes to like making hollowed stuff like that. And yeah. You can also, let me press Control Z, Command Z for Mac users. You can also do it like this. You go to modify, you click shell, and then same idea here. It's just you're hollowing out a different part of the box. And you see the end result right here. And yeah. That is how you use the shell feature. You can make a lot of things with the shell feature, and it's a really helpful tool when you practice it and get used to it. And that was how to use the shell tool in Fusion. I'm STEM with Miss Dubois. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and a great life. Bye!